Before we start creating personalized experiences, let's make sure we are on the same page in terms of what personalization is and what steps do we need to take to create a personalized experience. Personalization is creating website experience customized for a specific group of visitors. You change things like layout, headline, call to actions, images, products, etc. to make it more appealing to a specific group of visitors on your site. The end goal of marketers is to do one to one personalization, meaning that each user is going to get a very specific experience. However, that's not going to be possible with Google Optimize. Google Optimize only allows you up to 10 experiences. Even if it allowed unlimited experiences, as the paid version of Google Optimize does, you likely won't create one to one personalization because it requires extensive management of these personal experiences. So, before you create personalized experiences, you have to really think through and answer some key questions. So, first question you need to answer is why personalized? Why are you creating a personalized experience? And then you have to think about what experience to show. Is there a layout change? Is there a headline change, image change, or something else? And then who do you want to see this experience? That is, who is your target audience? Who should be getting this experience? When you think about why personalize, who and what will become very clear during that process. So spend time on thinking about why personalize, who to personalize, and what to personalize. Then finally, you have to think about where on your site will this experience be shown. To understand why create personalization and who to create the personalization for, you can look at various sources of data, such as website behavior data. This is where a tool like Google Analytics can help you dig in and find out which segments of your users might benefit from a personalized experience. You can use user surveys. This is where you ask specific questions from your users or site visitors and then analyze the data to figure out which segments or which subset of customers would benefit from creating a personalized experience. User feedback is another source of data. This is the feedback that users have provided without asking any specific questions. And then finally, third party research comes in handy as well. There are many third parties who are conducting research on various user segments to identify which segments are more likely to benefit from a personalized experience or are more likely to engage and buy from a brand that provides personalized experiences. Let me give you an example to make this clear to you. Let's say we looked through our Google Analytics data and found out that there are no contact us forms being filled from mobile devices. However, when we looked at the data for desktop users, we did not find this issue. Desktop users were filling the contact us forms. So, this was an interesting finding. It seemed like mobile users did not like filling the forms. We validated our findings with a third party research which confirmed that people hate filling forms on mobile devices. They would rather call. This information told us that we really need to give a phone number on our website for mobile users to contact us. Now, you might say, why not give everybody an option to call? Calls are expensive to handle, so we only want to give that option if we really have to. And in this case, by looking at our Google Analytics data and third party research, it is very clear that we need to give a phone number rather than contact us button. And in this case, it's very clear that we should provide a phone number for mobile users while contact us with a form is okay for desktop users. We are now ready. We know what kind of experience we need to create, which is to show a phone number. Who are we creating this experience for? Mobile visitors. And where will we place this experience on? On the home page in our example. Now, with this information, you can go into Google Optimize and create this personalized experience.